Hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. We got a new addition to the workshop. I invested in a pistol grip grease gun. We have enough equipment around here that I need a good grease gun. I need to be doing maintenance all the time. This is what we had. I upgraded it last fall to the locking end on it, and that seemed to help, but it just sucked. The grease gun. So, like I said, I just upgraded. Just open it up. Excuse me. But we're gonna change it around a little bit, take the good parts off the old one to upgrade the new one, and we'll get to greasing the mowers, or the mower and the tractor, and we'll give it a shot because everything's due. So I kind of liked how flexible this line is on the old one. The other one is flexible, but it has this anti-kink, all this jazz, and it's nice and clean already. So I think I'm just going to take it off and just kind of throw it in the work toolbox and save it. So we're going to take the old one off. No, I don't have any of the right wrenches. Alright, let me go grab those. Alright, just taking it off. And hopefully it's the same threading. And it sure is, so we'll lock that in. So what kind of drew me to this one, it actually has like a rubber grip to it. So I thought that was pretty nice. Because once this thing gets greasy, it's just slippery as can be. Alright, so let's open it up. You know, plunger, usual plunger inside. And I'm just going to be using some of this Molly grease. Ooh. Gotta take the. Oh, look at that. Now this should fit nice and easy and clean in there. Just so you know, this is probably the cleanest I've ever stayed while changing a cartridge. Wow. Cool. So we are locked and loaded. So the pistol grip. Alright, let's go do it. Actually, let's clean this up so it doesn't make a mess of the picnic table. And I think actually I'll put the new one on the old one, just so nothing gets in there. It's not going to hurt anything. Then if I can't find that one, I can always go to the old one. Alright, let's throw away all these pieces and we'll go greasing. Alright, here in the workshop, we're on the Power King. So this is one of the, what is it, the locking grease gun cap, so it keeps it on there nice. So it might take me a little, oh, there it goes. All right. already coming out, so that was nice and easy. So that tells me that there's already grease in that. It was a long, cold, wet winter, so I'm sure all of these joints need a good once over here on the Power King. All right, I'm gonna call this a win. So this is the locking end with just pistol grip. I don't know how long the gun's gonna last. Hopefully a good long time. It was pretty reasonable on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description. But I hit everything and more that I knew existed. I found a new one down by the framed Zerk fitting degrees. So I'm going to hit a couple of the fittings on the zero turn, but I'm going to be off to cutting grass now. Just can't play with the new toys all day. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in. More videos to come, and hit subscribe. Thanks everybody.